Hi, I'm Chef Carl, and today we're going to be making a strip loin. I'm going to make some steaks, a nice roast. I have a roast in the oven already, and we'll be in all three. So you'll see the raw stage, and you'll see the cooked. And I got some baked potatoes and some other things. We have a sponsor now, Janet Churchill Britt and Doug Britt, Kennewick neighbors for over 18 years. They're with the KW's Keller Williams Realty. They offer significant savings to local hero groups when you buy or sell your home. We honor service heroes, fires, EMTs, law enforcement, military, active reserves, and veterans, health care professionals, teachers, everybody that's on the front line. So we appreciate it, and give them a call. We'll be right back.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So we're back now. This is a strip loin. I bought it at Pacemaker's, and I cut off a piece about from here, and I seasoned it. And I'll show you. We're going to do one here. The one I have in the oven, I just took out, and we'll be seeing it. I'll slice it for presentation. So here we go. First of all, a strip loin has one smaller eye and one wider eye. I'm going to cut off about, let's say 3 pounds. It's always nice if you can go all the way through. There we go. You don't want to cut off all the fat, but you want to cut off the excess fat. And trust me, this is not much compared to some strip loins I've seen. So this looks pretty good. Put this on the side for a second. And I'm going to cut us some strip steaks. Or do you like them about that thick?
Oh, beautiful.
Okay. And there's not a lot of fat on the tail. This is the tail. A lot of times there's a big humps of fat there. So with the 2 roasts, each roast you should get like 8 servings. So that'd be 16 servings. And then I probably get 6 strip steaks. So you get about 24, 25 servings. And I paid $120. So it's like $6 a serving. Not too bad. You always want to leave some fat on a steak because when you're grilling it, it gives us the sizzle for sizzle or whatever. So, okay. Now, I let this strip loin out for about a half hour to come down to temperature. Cook, especially on the roast, more evenest. And if it was right out of the refrigerator, it'd be firmer, so it's a little soggy. Don't cut your finger off. That's not good. So I've got 1, and these are about inch thick steaks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 really nice strip steaks. So I'm going to put this on the side for now. So now we have this roast. It's about 2.5, 3 pounds. And what you want to do is season it nicely, all sides. I'm using sea salt. It has about 16% sodium in it compared to regular salt, which has like 40%. So, that's fine. All right, you want to have a little ground black pepper. Do all sides. Always wipe that off. I'll have to clean it later. We're going to put some chopped seasoning from Weber. Good. A little garlic, granulated garlic. This is a browning spice that I make up out of chili powder, cumin, paprika, sugar, coffee, and some other things I have to not tell you unless somebody wants to help manufacture this for me. And I've got some nice chopped rosemary, fresh rosemary, and basil from my garden. Just put it on liberally, put a lot of it on. Make sure kitchen smells heavenly. Last but not least, I should say, not least, I sprayed with a little butter on it. Okay, well, I said we have one in the oven, so I'm going to put this one on the side here, and I'll bring out the finished one. Okay, since I had raw meat here, I'm going to sanitize the board. This is a strip steak roast I did, like the raw one I showed you. And we let it sit about 10-15 minutes. So now, I'm going to put it on the cutting board. And we got about 130 on the ends and about 120 in the center, so that's good. We're just going to slice it. See, nice and pink. Oh man, this is going to eat as good or better than prime rib. I gotta taste it, make sure it's okay. Now we're also gonna put on a few nice baked potatoes with butter and sour cream. And I made what I call vegetable spaghetti. It's a zucchini, and I made it with this here, and I'll show you one. Kind of cool. I'm going to put a little, just serving this cold, Greek dressing. Don't overdo it. Put a little of the juice over the top. And I tell you what, folks, this is as nice as you're gonna get it. Can't forget the sour cream. Couple of dollops. All right, now we got it. So, this is Chef Carl showing you how to make a strip loin roast, how to make steaks, and tell you about our sponsor. And don't forget, subscribe to Chef Carl Food Whisperer YouTube. Ring the bell, leave a comment. I may make, you can leave a request, and I'll make something for you, but I'll be a little while off. And I don't always remember the people in the service and the people on the front line. So until next time, Chef Carl saying, thanks a lot and bye.